Okay, now for the first method, go to the Windows search bar, type in services. After that, select any application you want, and in the keyboard, select V. Select VGC. After that, in the startup type, switch it to automatic and make sure to select start. After that, click apply and OK. Okay, now for the second method, go to the Windows search bar again. Search for firewall and network protection. After that, select this first link. If you can't find this available, just make sure to turn off temporarily your antivirus. After you do that, select it. Select change settings. After that, select allow another app. Select browse. And from here, make sure to browse through your Valorant files and add the shipping.exe file. Once you did that, just make sure the file you added have private and public boxes are checked. Click on OK. If it still didn't work, now for the next method, go to the Windows Start menu, go to the settings. After that, in the left sidebar, go to Windows Update and make sure you check for all update and install all of them. Once you did that, just make sure to restart your computer. If you find it helpful, make sure to subscribe.